Hi, good day. My name is Janeline from Hindang Leyte, Philippines. I'm 40 years old. I'm happily married and I have one child, a boy. His name is Kirk Benson and he's now 15 years old. I finished my study in vocational business management. I have work experience as domestic helper in Oman in 3 years, from year 2001 to 2004. My duties are cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, cooking, taking care of the kids, feeding the kids. I observe 2 adults and 3 children, ages 2, 4, and 6 years old. I accompany also my employer going to the vacation. I've been in UK, Saudi, and Dubai. I want to work in Hong Kong so that I can provide my family needs. Please allow me to be your household worker because I am loyal, hardworking, and trustworthy. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities, and I'm looking forward working with you as soon as possible. Thank you.